I think all the vloggers are going to be using that soon. Cheers, friends!
Hi there!
Welcome to the Excalibur. So it's a fun time. They had a mechanical dragon that would come out on these tracks. Merlin the Wizard would come out of his little house to cast out the dragon. I kind of miss the street side shows. In our earlier videos, I go into more detail on how I find hotel deals. MGM sometimes has this deal where they'll give you a food and beverage credit based on the price of the hotel room that you're renting. So here they're giving $30 in food and beverage credits. At the Excalibur, the room is only $40 a night, making the room essentially $10 a night. Be sure to read all the details of the deal before making a booking. In this case, not all restaurants will be included, only the ones ran by the hotel. You also have to charge the meal to your room so that you can get the credit on the bill when you check out. And we have to use it the evening that we're there, not the next day. In our case, this won't work for breakfast because we're only doing a one-night stay. We know we're going to eat on property, and we know we're going to spend more than $30. So this is a good deal for us. We get a $10 a night room on the Strip. So parking is an additional $15 a night if you have a car. And you can prepay when you book your room. They'll send you a QR code via email, which you just scan at the gate when you get there. And with that lovely Las Vegas resort fee, the room comes to $86 a night, or $56 after the food and beverage credit. I got these handy digital keys. You use your phone just to unlock the room. Let's see how easy this is. I worked on the elevator. Nope. Good thing I already got the keys. Here we go. So, as you walk in, off to the right, you got your bathroom. Nice spacious counter. Big sweeping mirror. You got your hair dryer. Your little amenities. Nice and spacious. Looks like a clean shower. You got a nice full-size mirror here. Looks easier for getting ready. Closet right as you walk in with a safe. This is the standard king room in the Royal Tower. Alarm clock. No USB. Plenty of drawer space. Looks decent. Oh, this is where the fridge used to be.
We have B and light.
Pretty fuzzy picture. Got a nice desk. Easy access to power. Check out this view. How lovely. You have some outlets right next to the bed. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up or if you can see it, but I question whether the splash marks on the wall are by design or by the previous guest. A little bit of wear and tear on the furniture and some watermarks. Some nice full-size pillows for a change. Gina and I both work remotely, so Wi-Fi is very important. So here's a quick Wi-Fi test. And it's good.
walkway to Luxor. That on a stick.
Exciting, honey?
I can get a cheese stick maybe.
So the $30 credit we got for booking the room is good at all participating restaurants across all MGM properties. So you don't have to just stay at Excalibur. And that's what we're doing. We're actually walking over to Luxor because they have a nice walkway, keeps you air conditioned and out of the sun.
So Mexican is my ultimate favorite, and tonight we're gonna try someplace new, Diablo's Cantina.
I went with the steak fajitas. You went with the taquitos.
Looks good. So we just got finished eating at Diablo's Cantina. It was okay. It was tasty. I don't have to rush back. The chips were fresh and hot, and the salsa was good.
I enjoyed the steak fajitas. They're cooked decently. They're just decent. So.
Yeah. Not rushing back.
And if you don't feel like walking all the way back, there is a tram that runs between Excalibur, Luxor, and Mandalay Bay. Don't expect speedy service. This is the fun dungeon. Everyone insists we gotta get a card and load it up with money and use the card and all the little arcade area for kids.
This was one of my favorites at Circus when I was little. You roll the ball up.
Do the race. We got a shooting gallery and knocking the blocks. Also down here in the fun dungeon where you find the entrance to the Tournament of the Kings for a little dinner show. An evil night with jousting, wizards, magic, all the fun things for the kids. So we're here checking out the 4D theater experience. So they have the Excalibur's Fun Dungeon. We're going to see Aquaman. So the 4D experience was an experience. So yeah, pretty much looks like a normal theater.
With wind and rain and poking.
Yeah, little strobe lights. There were some water effects. I was expecting a lot more, given that we saw Aquaman.
Yeah, I thought we'd be more wet.
Definitely. The seats were wet when we walked in.
Yeah.
It really wasn't too bad.
Makes me want to watch the movie though. I've never seen it.
$12, not bad. Gonna play against me? No.
I thought we had that for sure. Gotten like what, 15 Tootsie Rolls?
Yeah, that. So we donated our spoils to the family behind us in line.
Yeah, they had little kids, so we figure, you know, they'd have more fun picking things out than we would.
We're getting ready to check out, and so here's some thoughts on the room.
The bed was pretty comfortable.
Yeah, not too hard, not too soft.
Shower was nice and warm,
Yeah,
extra hot.
That was nice, pretty spacious. Probably was a tub at one time, but you can tell that they just put a shower floor in there.
A walk-in shower, yeah.
No problem with the water pressure or draining.
Mm-mm.
That's always a plus.
We have a desk for working.
We also have these nightstands and plenty of chairs and comfortable places to sit, so working was
Not
good.
bad. The view, there wasn't any.
The Wi-Fi worked
Pretty good.
well.
And it also had a safe and a closet, which you don't realize you need until you check in and there isn't any.
A little disappointing that at one point there definitely was a fridge in here, but now they've taken it out. I think it's pretty standard for Vegas and their budget rooms.
No fridge.
No fridge. The hotel has seemed to be removing a lot of the cliche-themed medieval decor from the hotel and been replacing it with some really nice modern touches.
Yeah, you'll still see some of that old school Excalibur feeling in the casino, but it kind of stops when you get to the room towers.
Although it would have been pretty nice to have like a big suit of armor sitting in the corner of the room. I'm not lying.
No.
So I went to Flotsky's for breakfast. I went with the breakfast burrito, and Gina went with the
Original on sourdough.
A lot of food. There at the food court, a lot of the vendors switch over to a breakfast menu in the mornings. Even Pizza Hut has some breakfast sandwiches.
I know, I've never seen that before. Of course, there's the Starbucks with all their goodies, but the line, too long. I can't tell you the last time I've been to Excalibur. Probably in the 90s when it was like super Excalibur-ish. It's nothing like I remember it. A lot of things still aren't fully open, which is a little disappointing because there are some shops I would have liked to have gone into. But all in all, I think this is a nice place to stay. The casino floor feels really large, but it doesn't take you long to walk across it. There's a lot of different places to choose from for quick little fast bites, but restaurant-wise, not so great.
So I guess one big concern we might have had as adults booking a room at Excalibur is it is kind of a family, more kids-themed resort. However, I didn't really feel uncomfortable here at all. There are plenty of other adults, a lot of young adults. Now, while there aren't a lot of restaurant selections, the nice thing is it's part of an MGM property. So the food credit that we had was good at any participating MGM restaurant across all their properties. And there's the walkways and the tram that connects Excalibur to Luxor and Mandalay Bay, which have plenty of other shows and food options. Probably might book the room here just for the price, but it would just be a room to sleep in and would be at other properties most of the time.